this video is about describing the contents of the records management simulation packet. So this simulation packet is actually designed to help you in learning about records management. Beginning on page 15 of the manual, it explains that you have been hired as the records management manager for Oryx Systems Incorporated, which is a company that sells 3G and 4G cell phones and broadband internet access to individuals, companies, and government agencies. There is an organizational chart that describes who is in charge and briefly describing their job responsibilities, what each person does. So the simulation packet contains the student reference manual or instruction manual. It also contains this little file box. We'll put that together in job 1. It also contains these form pads. The form pads have information that, like the first one has information about the clients of the Oryx system, broadband system, or whatever it's called. You will use this to code all of your information on. I suggest using a pencil to do this. Form pad 2 contains cross-reference sheets, and it also is the beginning of the letters and different types of correspondence. And it also contains another cross-reference sheet where you will record all your cross-references as you go. Forms pad 3 contains more letters, but it also contains invoices and more cross-reference sheets. Form pad 4 includes blank sheets as well as this in and out log for borrowing of the file folders. You'll come to different situations where somebody has borrowed something, and more cards to work with for the jobs. The manual also states that there is a CD that comes with it, although I did not receive one in my packet, so you may not have one either, so I will post any data files that you may need. So this student manual consists of all the instructions and explanations for completing each of the 13 jobs. Each job is performed in the simulation environment, and you all have an assignment to do with this almost weekly. You will proceed from the most simple to the complex as you apply the alphabetic filing rules first to the cards, and then beginning with job 5 to corresponding pieces, like the little letters or the invoices. Methods of checking your completed work will vary. That's up to you, as long as you check it over carefully as you complete each job. Also, please wait to go to the next job until you receive any feedback from me. If there are any errors, I don't want you to go back in and make more just because you didn't correct those. So if there are any errors, rearrange your files as instructed, then move on. I will try to have this done by Wednesday of every week. The most important filing concept to remember is that all filing is done to facilitate retrieving information when it is needed. So to retrieve information efficiently, a set of rules must be followed. Well, the ARMA International's alphabetic indexing rules have been developed to give businesses a place to start setting up an efficient alphabetic storage system. The rules presented in the records management textbook and summarized in this manual, there is in the front of it all the rules together in one place, are written to agree with the standard filing rules published by the ARMA International. It's very important that you learn these rules as thoroughly as you can, although you can refer to these rules at any time that you need to. There's also a summary of the cross-referencing principles in this manual to be used with these jobs. And I've also added a document to the course in the first module with the rules that you can print out if you want and keep in your file, your little packet, your simulation packet. So at the end of this video, follow the next video for the explanation of job number 1. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.